PlayStation 5 is a breakthrough video game console that Sony Interactive Entertainment developed in 2020, the queen of all performances, fastest-selling console in the world, but hard to find due to chip shortage and COVID-19. In this short tutorial, we will show you how you can skip the queues and get alerts as soon as the console goes back in stock at your favorite retailer, so you can be one of the first to purchase when they receive new stock. So let's dive in and see how to set up a PlayStation 5 stock checker alert using Hexawatch. To get started, head over to hexawatch.com to create a free account. Next, make a list of your favorite retailers and their product listing URLs for the PlayStation 5. Here's a tip: we recommend you keep an eye on the pages of the most trusted retailers. Once you logged in, you can see the Hexawatch dashboard by default. Now, click on New Monitor, and from the monitors list, choose the one that is the best fit for you. Here we will choose the Visual Monitor, which checks pages for any visual changes. Or you can also use the HTML Element Monitor if you want to monitor the availability message on the page. You can choose to monitor single or bulk URLs. In the second step, let's add the product page URL. Click Preview, then set the type of changes to monitor and the frequency of checks. We recommend a minimum of every 12 hours or less. You have the option to select your most preferred notification channels like email, Slack, Discord, Telegram, Zapier, Microsoft Teams, or browser notifications to get instant notifications when changes are detected. Before selecting the channel, be sure to have it integrated into your Hexawatch account. After filling in all the required information, click Start Monitoring. You are all set. In the final step, you just need to relax and view the detected changes. Once the visual monitor detects a change, you will be notified via your selected channel, so you can be one of the first to purchase your console as soon as the retailer receives more stock. On your monitored URLs page, you can find all the changes and can export them to Google Sheets for a more detailed view and analysis. This way, you will be able to both check the page for stock opportunities, price changes, and more. Hexawatch is your AI sidekick to monitor any website for visual, content, source code, technology, availability, or price changes. What are you waiting for? Head to hexawatch.com and sign up now.